We're going to Walmart?
Yeah! We're gonna go to the beach.
Huh?
Then we're gonna go to the beach.
Are we gonna go to the beach?
Yeah!
Daddy, where are we going?
To heaven.
No, hilarious.
Back to heaven.
Hilarious.
He said
Where we go old like an old grandma.
Huh?
So, you know, the closest thing to heaven?
Jesus said God.
Well, Jesus is the one that can take you to heaven. He'll come if you're looking for him in the end of the world. He's looking for you, so he's going to be able to find you because you're looking for him. But if you're not looking for him, then it's almost like he can't find you then because you're not looking for him at the same time.
We're parking right there. Can't see it? Oh,
We're gonna go shopping. Yes, Jenna loves shopping.
I want to buy new shoes. That's what.
What you wanna buy?
New shoes.
You want a new shoes? What
Yeah.
else?
So
Your
I have
feet
to
is
get
getting
new.
big. Yeah, you need to
But
get
what size are you?
maybe 11.
That's the
You like it, boy? No? Why you don't like it?
Don't tell me you want Air Jordans already.
Come on.
Come on, man.
He wants blue. We can't find blue shoes in here, boy.
You're gonna wear them for like a couple of months. You're gonna grow out of it.
How about this one? You like this one? But it's so big though. It's big.
Yeah.
It fits, boy. Perfect. Yay. We're shopping. What's wrong, boy?
I got a nurse.
We're shopping for clothes. Yeah,
And
guys.
I have one for little baby.
What did you get?
This is for baby.
Oh, you get a gun.
He's a little. He only can have 2 dogs. To get something else, but I couldn't have time to get something else.
There we go.
That's
No, we're not at the beach yet.
Almost.
Almost. Oh. You wanna go to the beach? Yeah. Ayan na guys, finally, dito na kami sa beach. Medyo hapon na. Ang tagal ng aming biyahe. Anyways. Hi baby! Ayan, kararating lang namin guys. Medyo na traffic ng konti. Kaya ngayon lang kami nakarating dito. Ano yan, hotel. Tapos may swimming pool dyan. Then sa tapat, ayan, beach na. Mag-aano na siya. Tapos na yung sunset, lumubog na yung araw dito. Kadarating lang. Ay, lumubog na yung araw. Ngayon lang kami nakarating. Ano ba yan? Next time ulit, aagahan namin. Ang lakas ng alo, no? Hi, baby! Hi! Where's Jenna and Mikey? So, ayun, hindi sana kami pupunta ng beach ngayon kasi nga, hapon na, yung mga bata, panayaya ng yaya. Punta tayo ng beach. Let's go to the beach, please. Kaya, ayan, napilitan tuloy kami. Napilitan tuloy kami pumunta kahit medyo ano na, late na siya. Kaya, ayan, gabi na kami nakarating dito, 6 na, 6 p.m. na. Yeah, pero medyo maliwanag pa naman kahit na 6 p.m. na dito. Okay lang. Where's Mikey and Jenna? Oh, I see Mikey and Jenna over there, boy. Go over there. Come on. Lalaro ang mga bata. Enjoy na enjoy sila. What happened? No! The water is cold. You wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
Wow. It's cold. Hi! You're so wet now. What happened? Did you like it? You like the water? Nag-enjoy siya. Tagal namin hindi kasi pumunta sa beach. Ang tagal na. Nag-lockdown kasi. First time namin after simula na mag-lockdown. First time namin pumunta ng beach. Since nung this 2020, ayan, ngayon lang kami ulit nakapunta ng beach. Jana! Jana! You like the water? Are you not cold? It's cold, girl! Oh my gosh! Nag-enjoy siya sa tubig. Ako giniginap. Look, there's a big wave coming. Come on, girl. Big wave is coming, girl. Come on, come back here.
It's the water. There's something happening to the beach. I go this, and when I go all the way there, it brings me back.
Ah, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's running away from the water.
Fast runner.
Hi. Hi, handsome.
Well, I'm working on it. Lose a little weight here, but
You look good, hon.
not bad for 5 kids, huh?
5 kids. Tapos na sila mag-swimming. Ayan. Nagbabanlaw na sila. We're done swimming. So cold? You cold now, boy? Go back in there again. Come on. Come on. Please.